Hello everyone, welcome back to Java Learning Hub for ICSE. Today we are going to see the for loop in Java. It is one of the iterative loop or looping statements where a loop will execute for certain given number of times. So let us see what for loop is. It is nothing but it is used to execute a block of code repeatedly for given number of times. Means the number of times will be specified in it. Then let us see the syntax of for loop. We will have the initialization, conditions and update. Initialization, first value we will give. Condition, based on the condition the loop will execute that number of times. Update can either increase or decrease the values. Inside that we will give the set of statements. Now let us see an example of for loop. Like my class is main. Here I am writing main and for is I is equals to 1, I less than 5 and I plus plus. So this is the for loop where initially I am giving the value as 1. Maximum number of times the loop ends is 5 and it is going to increase the values by 1 and one by one will display the I value. Now let us see, when we are taking I as 1, it means that the step 1, first step, where our loop will run only once, that too at the beginning of the loop, means initial value of the loop is 1, so it will run only one times. Then next comes the conditional check. Whenever we are giving I is equals to less than or equals to 10, means I is was 1 earlier, 1 to 5 times the loop will execute, means it will execute for 5 times. So in other words, still the condition satisfies. Next is updation, where we are going to increase the value by +1 in each iteration here, but normally it can be anything 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 also we can give, but as per our loop it is one time only. Now as I said you that it will execute 5 times, so our output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us see the key points. What for we use the for loop? It is used for when we know the number of iterations with code simple and readable, commonly used in Java programming. I hope you all have understood this. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Please like, share the video and join for my live sessions as well as watch all my videos. Thank you.